Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Welcome to our first Google Classroom lesson. This is our first lesson. They are completely optional. I just thought it would be fun to try to keep a routine, do our morning meeting, learn about some sight words, different things like that while we're home during this closure. So, excuse me. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to read the morning message to you, and you can follow along and listen at home. Let me take a step back and make sure you can see it all. Here we go. March 19th, 2020. Good morning. Today is Thursday. I want to find a little snack. I want a cheese stick to eat. It will be a great day. I can and I will. Well, Mrs. Forrester. All right, this week we are learning about three new words. One of them is this word right here. We can't tap this word out. We can't. It's the word eat. Can you say it? Everybody spell it. E-A-T. Eat. On the message, what did I say I wanted to eat? I said I wanted to eat a cheese stick. Yum, yum. I'll go ahead and circle it. Eat. Eat. Our next new word, sorry about that being, is this word right here. You could tap this word out. Little. Good. This word is little. Let's spell it L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little. I wanted to find a little snack on my morning message. So I'll go ahead and circle little for us. And our last new word this week is this word. You can tap this word out. Find. Good. Everybody spell it. Oops, sorry. F-I-N-D. Find. Find. Now let's spell it on our morning message. Here it is. Find. Find, little, eat. Those are our new words. Let's review them all. Ready? Ears on. Find. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Little. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Eat. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Ears off. Awesome. Now, if we were at school, we would count the days in school, but instead we're at home, so we're going to count how many days we've been at home. So, I've got my cup. Oh, you can't see it. I'll hold it. I've got my cup. What bucket would this be, do you think? It would be the ones bucket. It would be the ones bucket. We're going to start with our ones bucket because we always start with the ones. Now, a lot of us weren't at school on Monday. Totally okay. But we're going to start Tuesday as our day at home since that's when we all started being at home. So, how many straws or pencils would I put into my cup? Let's count. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I need to put 3 straws or pencils into my cup. 1, 2, 3. They're all in there. My cup's a little short or a little tall. My pencils are short. Now, my next cup would be what place? The tens place. You're right. It'd be the tens, the bundles. We've been at home for 3 days. 3 days. How many more do I need to make a bundle? How many more do I need to make a bundle? I have 3. All right, let's count up from 3 to 10 because we know a bundle is 10 straws. Let's count up. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count your fingers. Some of you count them to your head. Some of you put them down. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7 more days at home to put it in the cup. And then it'll turn into a bundle. I'm sorry, forgot what we were talking about. Okay, so normally we'd go into our calendar. I don't have a calendar here at school, but it is March 19th. Maybe you can, I think I said here at school. Here at home, I don't have a calendar. Maybe you have one at home. You can put the dates up, but it is March 19th, over there, 2020. Okay. Today is the first day of spring. It's not very springy outside. It's kind of rainy. Sometimes that happens a lot in March. We see a lot of rain. So then we'd move into our rules. We can review a couple of our rules. Rule 1, follow directions quickly. You can do that at home for your mom, your dad, your grandma, grandpa, whoever's at home with you. Rule 2 is raise your hand. We don't really need to do that at home unless someone has asked you to. Maybe you've got lots of brothers and sisters at home. Mom's trying to help you all with your work. Maybe she does want you to raise your hand. We can make smart choices at home. And at home, we can make our dear teacher happy because your dear teacher is now your mom, your dad, your big sister, your neighbor, grandma, grandpa, whoever's at home with you. So make sure you are making smart choices, following directions quickly, and making your dear teacher happy. All right, we are going to do one more thing today. We are going to learn about, excuse me, Oprah Winfrey. So let me pull it on up. There she is. Okay, Oprah Winfrey. I'm so excited for us to be talking about Oprah. I remember Oprah when I was your age, being on TV and people talking about Oprah, and it was just really cool. So we are going to learn about her. So let's get our listening ears on. Here we go. Oprah Winfrey was born in Kossico, Mississippi on January 29th, 1954. Oprah was a very intelligent child and learned to read at the age of 3. So let's think about that. You're 5 or 6 or maybe 7, and you're learning how to read. Oprah was 3. I think some of you might have some little siblings at home who are 3. Could you imagine if they started learning or reading? They're already learning. Could you imagine if they started reading? That would be crazy. Oprah went to college and decided she wanted to be a broadcast journalist. Oprah worked on a radio station and then received a job as Nashville's first female African-American news anchor when she was only 19 years old. That's huge. That's really young. After working as a news anchor, Oprah continued to get other jobs working on television, and this eventually led to her having her very own talk show, The Oprah Winfrey Show. That's the show I mentioned. And that means that she was the host. So she brought people on to talk to them. She brought famous people on. She brought people who just did good in their community. She brought in people who are making a difference. She also gave away presents and prizes to people. Oprah has acted in several movies. She has her own television station, her own magazine, and gives back to people all over the world. Oprah continues to help and influence people's lives today. So let's read that again so we can lock that information into our brain. Here we go. Oprah was born in Kossico, Mississippi on January 29th, 1954. Lock her birthday in. January 29th, 1954. Oprah was a very intelligent child and learned to read at the age of 3. Oprah went to college and decided to be she decided that she wanted to be a broadcast journalist. Oprah worked on a radio station and then received a job as Nashville's first female African-American news anchor when she was only 19 years old. After working as a news anchor, Oprah continued to get other jobs working on television. This eventually led her to having her very own talk show, The Oprah Winfrey Show. Oprah has acted in several movies, has her own television station, her own magazine, and gives back to people all over the world. Oprah continues to help and influence people's lives today. So that is about Oprah. If you have some extra time, you can write about her just like we would in school. What was her birthday? It was in January. How old was she when she learned to read? What did she do? Why are we talking about her? You can draw your picture, ask someone at home to set a 2-minute timer. You can set it on your own if you know how to do that. Set a 2.5-minute timer. Maybe set a 3-minute timer if you're like, we've got extra time. I'm going to add 30 seconds. Do a 3-minute timer. Draw your picture. Remember, 5 colors if you're 5, 6 colors if you're 6, 7 colors if you're 7. Draw your picture and then write 2 to 3 sentences about Oprah. Oprah was on TV. Oprah learned to read when she was 3. Woo, that'd be a long one, but I heard a lot of sight words and I heard a lot of words you could tap out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. It's kind of nice to be in this routine of doing a morning meeting, learning about Oprah. I hope you join me tomorrow. We'll do a morning meeting and the rest is a surprise. Maybe we'll do some math tomorrow. We only have 2 more people to learn about in our Black History Influential Leaders packet. We have Michael Jordan, which I know a lot of you are excited about, and President Obama. So we'll save those for next week, but I hope you have a great day. I miss you all so much. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.